Good morning. You guys already know what day it is. Well, if you don't, I'm going to tell you. It is May 29th. It is Alina's wedding day. It is a beautiful day outside. The girls are getting ready. Well, I'm kind of ready. Let me show you Anna. Anna is getting ready. She's doing her hair. She's going to have her makeup and hair done, and we're going to put our dresses on soon. This is where the true queen is. This is her assistant. And I'm her assistant. She has to learn to put it on. I already learned. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful girl. Don't step on it. It's behind me. Show us your nails.
Okay.
Oh, you don't have your rings on yet? And her phone matches the vibe.
You should hold with those extensions in too.
So we are just waiting to do our shots while they're getting the pictures of Alina. I know, when is our time to shine? But this is just the vibe. Okay, we're doing confessional with the bridesmaids. Mosh, come here. Confessional? Yeah, you know how they do those? What's that? So Alina's actually been fairly nice this entire process. She's letting us wear whatever shoes we want. Whatever shoes we want, whatever hair we want, whatever dress we want. She got us presents. She really wants us to be her friend after she gets married. Are you having a great day, Alina? This is a confessional. She feels really pretty, and that's really good. She said that. Yeah, she said that. She's just been working hard on her many businesses. She's currently posting on her Love Venture Film future husband's business page. Not really future. I mean, I guess she's not married to her yet. Today is not the future. Today is the future. We are the future. No. Look at Vika and the laugh. Can you? No, actually laugh. You're gonna be laughing during my speech. You better. I can't wait. I don't know how far back you'll go. I don't know how far back I should.